Welcome to my office here in Melbourne, Florida. I'm going to show you exactly how to make your tattoos hurt less. I have finally found out what actually works. And it's taken a lot of trial and error and a lot of pain just to be able to make this video for you. If you've ever actually bought a numbing spray and felt completely let down, believe me, you're not alone. This happens to a lot of people. I've been there myself. So in this video, I'm actually breaking down my top 5 tips as a 15-year tattoo artist and certified cosmetic chemist to make tattoos hurt less. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to prep, what to use during your tattoo session, and how to leave the pain behind. Here we go. Number 1. Get a solid night's sleep before your tattoo. Let me tell you, when you're rested, your pain tolerance and healing are so much better. That easy. Don't show up exhausted. Your body needs that recovery time to handle the tattoo process. Come on. Number 2, hydrate well. You want to drink plenty of water the day before and the morning of your tattoo appointment. Well-hydrated skin takes ink better, heals faster, and actually feels less sensitive during the tattoo. So if you're dehydrated, your skin can feel tight, dry, and way more painful. So grab that water bottle and make it a priority. Number 3, never get tattooed on an empty stomach. It's pretty easy. Have a solid meal, something with protein and carbs, so your blood sugar stays steady during your tattoo session is definitely a win. So if you skip food, you might feel lightheaded. You could feel shaky or even faint. So this can make the pain feel way worse, or it could even cut your whole session short. You'll pass out. So number 4, practice deep breathing.
Exhale. Okay. Exhale.
Focus on your slow inhales and long, steady outhales, okay? Deep breathing helps your body relax and it keeps your nerves in check too. So you're actually lowering the perception of pain. So if you tense up and hold your breath, you'll feel every single needle pass. So stay mindful of that and keep your breath flowing. Before I get to the last tip though, here's a bonus. Wear comfortable clothes. Give your artist the easy access to the area. Even if it's your arm, if you're getting tattooed, bring something to distract yourself. Bring some music, bring a podcast, or even a friend for company in the most part. But most importantly, communicate with your artist. Don't be afraid to ask for a quick break if you need it. A little comfort goes a long way. Number 5, the big one. Use a professional grade tattoo numbing spray during your tattoo session. After trying them all, I only trust Pro-Numb tattoo numbing spray, and it's the one that I use with my clients every day. So ask your tattoo artist if they're familiar with Pro-Numb and how to apply it for best results. Numbing sprays help with pain, swelling, and comfort for those longer sessions. It's just kind of a no-brainer when you're getting tattoos. It makes it easy. If you've got questions or you want more real tattoo artist advice, just go ahead and drop a comment below. I reply to as many as I can. Obviously I read these every day. And if you want more honest tips, then go ahead and hit subscribe. Good luck with the next tattoo, and I'll see you in the next video.